Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to integrate Chatgpt with your Wix website. If you've ever wanted to add an AI-powered chat assistant to engage your visitors, answer questions, or simply boost your site's professionalism, you are in the right place. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have Chatgpt up and running on your own Wix site, ready to impress your users. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll need to open up your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all of your site editing magic happens. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and sign into your account and then select the website you want to work on. The dashboard might look a little overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry. Everything we need will be within reach. Once you're inside your site editor, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find a menu with lots of options. What you want to do now is click on Add Apps. Think of apps like little superpowers for your website. Each one adds extra features and functionality, almost like installing an app on your phone to make life easier. Now, in the search bar at the top of the Apps Market pop-up, just type in ChatGPT. This will pull up a list of results, but you're looking specifically for the ChatGPT Assistant app. Sometimes you might see a few different chatbots or AI tools, but make sure you select the official ChatGPT Assistant. It's designed to plug seamlessly into Wix, which saves you time and possible headaches from compatibility issues. Go ahead and click on Add to Page or Open. The button may look slightly different depending on your current Wix editor layout, but don't worry, you can't miss it. When you click this, it'll start the installation process. This might take a few seconds, and if your internet is slow, don't panic. It will eventually show up right on your page. You'll notice a chat box appears on your site. Now comes the fun part, customizing where it lives on your website. Click and drag the chat box to your preferred spot. You might want it in the bottom right corner like most chat assistants, or maybe front and center if you really want users to interact. Dragging elements in Wix is pretty intuitive. If you feel it snap into place, that's how Wix helps keep your layout neat and tidy. Once you're happy with the placement, that's actually it. The ChatGPT Assistant is now part of your website. You can test it out immediately. Try typing in a question, see how it responds, and make sure it fits with your site's vibe. If you want, you can dive deeper into custom settings later, tweaking the look or the welcome message. But for most users, what you've just done is all you need to hit the ground running. So there you go. Integrating ChatGPT with Wix is seriously simple once you know where to click. Adding an AI chat assistant not only boosts user engagement, but can also make your site look modern and responsive no matter what industry you're in. If you run into any issues, or if you'd like advice on configuring advanced ChatGPT options, just drop your question in the comments. I'm always here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more clear, easy-to-follow tutorials on web design and the best AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.